Ayan, good afternoon again, everyone. So, starting with our second product for this afternoon, second and last product. So, we're going to be talking about S77 probiotics with vitamins. So, again, just to start our brief session, quick question. Sino ba dito ang naka-feel ng parang bloated sila, constipated, or yung parang gassy yung pakiramdam? Kahit na hindi ka naman masyadong kumain or parang konti lang yung kinain mo. Common po ba sa inyo yun or baka hindi naman kayo masyadong nakakaranas ng mga ganong karamdaman? Can I get some thumbs up kapag familiar kayo sa ganitong feeling? Oops. Ayan. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Lilibet, ay, sabi ni ni Coach Troy, lagi po may gabay. So, ayan. Actually, very relatable naman din. Kasi, oh, kita po ba si screen ko? Is it, um,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see my screen? Yung
Yes
slide ko
po.
po, kita naman?
Yes po, apo.
Ayan.
Pero
Nawala
hindi
eh.
pa po siya naka-full, ma'am. Ayan.
Hindi siya.
Okay na
Ay,
po.
ayan, actually, sorry for the technical error on my part. So ayan, actually, sometimes, di ba, for other people din, similar to Coach Troy, maybe may mga nakakaramdam din na yung parang feeling nyo may mga araw na yung digestion nyo parang off lang siya. Or yung parang medyo irritated ka, parang down there. So you are not alone. And of course, hindi mo naman ini-imagine yun na parang, ay, imagination ko lang siguro to. That is actually common than you think. So actually, sa ating panahon ngayon, our gut microbiome is ito yung sinasabi nating community of good bacteria in our digestive system. So sinasabi nating gut microbiome, this is actually constantly under attack by things that we don't always realize. So ito yung sinasabi natin, di ba? So actually, meron tayong nararanasan na gut imbalance or yung parang hindi balance na gut health natin which can affect more than yung digestion natin. So dahil na-affect nga yung gut health natin, this can actually affect yung immune system, yung pag-absorb ng nutrients sa katawan, and even yung mga intimate health natin or yung parang mga down there body parts natin, di ba? So with that, actually, bakit nga ba 'to nangyayari? So, yung sinasabi ko nga na yung modern life natin or yung mga current practices natin, especially sa mundo ngayon, this can actually take a toll on our gut microbiome. So, yung sabi ko kanina, si gut microbiome, ito yung good bacteria natin sa ating digestive system. So, with this, we actually have different factors that can affect our microbiome. So as you can see on the screen, chronic stress, which can also increase yung sinasabi nating cortisol. Di ba nabanggit natin kanina sa previous product natin, yung cortisol hormone na tinatawag? So ito yung sinasabi nating stress hormone. So kapag si chronic stress, it can increase yung cortisol hormone natin, which can also affect yung gut lining. It can also affect our good bacteria. So, pinapababa niya yung level ng good bacteria sa ating katawan. Another is, of course, yung sinasabi nating poor diet. Ayan. So, with this, madami po ba ditong mahilig sugars? Yung mga cake, siguro yung mga milk tea, o yung matataas lagi yung sugar, mga dessert. Or other than that, of course, yung mga poor diet din, katulad din dito, yung mga burger, fast food, o di ba? So, feeling ko, madaming makaka-relate dito. So with this, actually, nakaka-affect din to, especially yung mga high sugar, yung mga mabababang high sugar but low fiber meals. So actually, ito yung mga boost sa ating bad bacteria, which can also leave the good ones starving. Di ba sabi natin meron tayong good bacteria sa katawan? So, ibig sabihin, with poor diet, mas bababa lalo yung level ng good bacteria sa ating gut system. Another that we can also contribute to the affecting of our microbiome is the sleep deprivation. So with the sleep deprivation, ito yung sinasabi natin kakulangan sa tulog. So lalo na ngayon, di ba, nauso na yung, I mean, hindi siya nauso. Actually, matagal na siyang laganap, yung mga nagsa-cellphone bago matulog. I think siguro madami sa ating mga participants today ang mga mahilig mag-cellphone matulog tas mamaya hanggang alauna gising pa. Tas gigising kinabukasan kulang sa tulog. So kasama yun sa ating sleep deprivation. So with this, it messes with our natural body rhythms and it can actually reduce the ability of our gut to recover. So, isa ito. Another is the antibiotic overuse. So, ayan. Sino ba dito ang actually, as a pharmacist, I don't, para kumbaga, I don't recommend or condone yung paggamit ng mga antibiotics ng biglang titigil, kahit wala pang 7 days, or yung gagamit ng antibiotic kahit onting masama lang pakiramdam, inuubo, or masakit yung ulo, antibiotic agad. So, actually, antibiotic overuse or even yung mga harsh soaps or yung mga intimate washes natin, this can actually harm yung mga beneficial flora sa ating katawan and even sa ating mga intimate parts. So ayan, yung mga antibiotics and yung mga harsh na soaps na ginagamit natin sa ating katawan. This can actually affect as well. So ayan, another again that I have not mentioned, I see low fiber and high sugar diet. So this can actually um, reduce the digestion of our body and also it can contribute sa irregular bowel movements ng ating katawan. So ayan, so just to again show you guys the different factors that can affect our microbiome or yung tinatawag nating community of good bacteria in our body. So ayan. So even if you are not eating junk all day, lahat ito para nag-add up para ma-throw off yung gut balance mo. And of course, kapag off na yung gut balance mo or yung gut health mo, it can affect your digestion, your immunity, your skin, your mood, and of course, yung mga intimate health natin sa ating katawan. So that is why very important ang pag-aalaga sa ating microbiome. Kahit na for this one, ayan. So that is why very important ang pag-aalaga sa ating microbiome. Kasi gusto natin okay or parang we feel our best every day. So with that, how do we actually solve this? So, ayan. So how do we actually solve this? So actually we have the different probiotics. Actually have our product which is S77, which is a powder product that contains around 10 billion CFU live bacteria. It has an increased number of probiotics. Of course, gusto din natin na ma-regulate yung mga T cells and ma-balance ang ating immune system. And of course, gusto natin ma-improve yung ating digestion at saka yung microbial harmony natin sa ating katawan. At saka gusto natin ma-support yung sinasabi nating good bacteria para sa lahat. So probiotics is usually about this. For this one, actually, I just want to ask, maybe does anyone know here the difference between prebiotics and probiotics? If may idea po kayo or parang kasi 'di ba lagi nating naririnig prebiotics, para ang daming biotics. Pero ano nga ba si prebiotics at probiotics? May nakakaalam po ba sa ating participants this afternoon? Just to share with you guys para 'di ba, nag-brainstorming tayo. So ayan, I'll just call na lang po one of our participants. So can I call or ask the opinion of Coach Troy Magpantay? Parang I just want to get an idea kung may idea po ba kayo anong difference ng prebiotics and probiotics? Ayan, Coach Troy. Baka ano, baka mahina po ang internet kina Coach Troy. So with this, can I call on Sir Cesar V? Ayan. Hi, Sir Cesar. Coach Troy. Ayan. Sige, si Coach Troy daw. Hi, Coach Troy. Can you open your mic po? Ayan. Okay. Wait daw. I think Coach Troy is typing. Ayan.
Yes.
So while we wait for Coach Troy's,
Hello.
ayan, ayan.
Yes.
Hello, Coach Troy. Kamusta po?
Ma-beauty pa din po, gaya mo, ma'am.
Oh, grabe naman si Sir. Naka-on cam po ba kayo?
Opo.
Ayan. Ayan, we can see one of our coaches here. Ayan, Coach Troy. Hello, Coach Troy.
Hello,
Ayan.
ma'am.
Ayan. I just wanted to ask Coach if may idea po ba kayo kung anong difference ng prebiotics and probiotics? Kasi di ba lagi po nating naririnig or nakikita sa mga supplements, siguro commercials din.
Ay, opo. Ah, bukod sa spelling po, talagang magkaiba po sila.
Ah,
Yung pro is bago. Yung
Wow.
pre, paano ba yung pre? Anyway, bali, ganito po yan.
Mm-mm.
Wait lang po ah.
Sige lang, Coach. Take your time. Nagulat po siguro kayo nung may recitation.
Opo, opo. Nanggugulat po kayo eh.
Ano naman po?
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Ipapasa po natin.
Ah, bali ang ano po, ang probiotics po at
Mm.
prebiotics, kung anong pagkakaiba po ng dalawa. Kapag
Yes po.
sinabing probiotics po, ito po ay kumakatawan sa good bacteria po. Okay?
Yan, tama po.
Opo. Ito yung mga ano, ito yung mga live bacteria na
Mm-mm.
tumutulong sa stomach natin, sa mga bituka
Mm-mm.
natin, para mapanatiling balanse ang ating digestive system. Yun po
Mm-mm.
yun. So halimbawa nito
Yes.
yung sa, hindi ko na po babanggitin yung sikat na sa market, yung pulang bote, meron po siyang lactobacillus, di po ba? Lactobacillus. Ayan po.
Apa.
Opo. Karaniwang nasa ano din yan, meron din sa yogurt, no? And of course,
Mm-mm.
syempre sa Dr. Vita S77 probiotics po natin. O kaya
Yes
nga
po,
kitang
tama
kita
naman.
po probiotics po nakalagay. Then yung
Mm-mm.
prebiotics naman, ito po yung food for good bacteria. O, siya
Yan.
po yung ano pagkain para
Yes.
maging mabuti yung bacteria.
Yeah.
Ayun,
Tama naman.
opo, opo. Bali, yun po ang pagkakaiba nung dalawa. Probiotics, ayan, and prebiotics, ayan po.
Yes.
Magkaiba rin po ang
Yes.
spelling.
Ayun po talaga yun, yung magkaiba yung spelling.
Opo,
Ayun yung
opo, opo.
pinaka unang-unang difference nila.
Oo. Kaya,
Sabi ni Sir
kaya
Lee,
ma'am, matuto po kayong gumamit ng ChatGPT.
mm, ano naman sir, nakatulong naman.
Yes, oo, di ba?
Tama, tama.
Oo lang.
Ayan. Na-mute ka po ata. Ayan. So with that, thank you so much, Coach Troy Magpantay, for that very insightful answer natin. Ayan, tamang-tama naman at very exact actually yung answer ni Coach Troy. Thank you so much. So hindi ko na kailangan mag-explain pa kasi nakuha niya na yung talagang sagot for probiotics and prebiotics natin. So with that, proceeding natin with our product. So we actually have six main ingredients for our S77 probiotics. So actually, similar also with our, of course, first product. Iisa-isahin natin yung different ingredients natin dito para malaman natin kung paano nga ba sila nagsasama-sama para ma-provide yung sinasabi nating benefit nga ating S77 probiotic. So, ayan. Actually, mas onti siya kaysa sa naunang product natin. So, I think we'll be having it more a more shorter session for this product. So starting off with our S77 probiotics. So for this one, S77 probiotics is actually a blend of yung different strains natin. Yung sabi nating live bacteria yung nabanggit ni Coach Troy. So this actually help restore yung gut health, yung mga urogenital balance. Pag sinabi natin urogenital balance, basically, ito yung mga nasa down there na body parts natin para, of course, maano natin yung balance nila. Like yung mga hormonal balance and even yung mga bacterial balance, mga good bacteria sa ating mga private parts. And then other than that, it can also help support yung mga digestive system natin, yung pag-digest natin. And then it can also support our immunity kasi nga na help na restore yung gut health natin and even digestion, which in turn helps strengthen yung ating sinasabing immune system. So sabi nga natin, for our product, we actually have seven different strains of probiotic. So I'll just show you. So ito yung parang just brief summary of the different strains of probiotics that we actually have. Actually, eight pala siya. So that was an erratum on my part. So we have different eight strains of probiotics for our product. So we have the Lactobacillus acidophilus. We have the um, Lactobacillus fermentum, the Thermophilus, and sunod-sunod na siya, of course, kasi medyo tongue twister yung mga pangalan niya. So, ayan. So just to briefly kumbaga summarize this, since meron tayong seven different strains, of course, merong different strains dito na usually for gut health and digestion. So these strains are actually the Acidophilus, the Fermentum, the Thermophilus, and then the Longum. Sila yung mainly strains na nakakatulong sa ating gut health and sa pagda-digest natin. So again, other than that, na-mention natin na sa ating 77 probiotics can not only help with our gut health, but it can also help with our intimate health. Yung mga sa private areas natin, yung mga balance ng bacteria natin doon. So for that, we also have different strains that can actually help for that. We have the Lactobacillus rhamnosus, the number 4. Isa ito sa mga nakakatulong makapag-prevent ng mga yeast infections and even yung mga UTI. And then another is yung sinasabi nating Lactobacillus paracase, yung number 3 natin. This can actually help um, ma-protect yung ating mga private parts against infections. And then we have the Helveticus and also the Salivarius na sinasabi natin, si number 8. So, itong apat na to, Sila yung mga nakakatulong naman sa ating intimate health. And then the previous four that I have mentioned are actually for gut health and also digestion. So with that, ayan, balikan natin yung other ingredients natin for our S77 probiotics. So again, na-mention ni Coach Troy, pag sinabi nating probiotics, these are actually the live bacteria. And then pag sinabi nating prebiotics, ito yung pagkain or um, fiber para sa ating live bacteria para mas ma-boost yung kanilang function to of course help our gut health and other functions as well. So going back, so other than that, we also have our cherry juice powder. So for our cherry juice powder, um, of course, pag sabi natin cherry, this usually adds flavor. But other than the flavor it can provide to our product, it can also provide a natural antioxidant properties. So again, nandiyan na naman si antioxidant. So pag sinabi natin antioxidant, ito 'di ba yung sinasabi nating nakaka-prevent ng oxidative stress sa ating cells. So pag napiprevent yung stress sa ating cells, parang tayo lang bilang tao, mas nakakapag-function tayo ng maayos. So again, with cherry juice powder, it has natural antioxidants and it can support inflammation control. So ayan, other than yung sarap, may mga function din siya kasi masarap din naman siya, di ba? Kasi nga cherry flavor siya. Actually, S77 probiotics also has a taste of cherry din since all because of the cherry juice powder. And then next is we also have the different B vitamins. So actually, meron tayong apat na B vitamins. Meron tayong vitamin B1, B2, B6, and also B12. So ito yung mga crucial para sa gut lining support natin. Other than sa gut lining support or yung gut health natin, they are very important for our energy kasi nakakatulong sila sa mood, sa stress, at saka sa metabolism. So again, nakakatulong sila sa gut health, sa energy, and also they can also help in reducing yung pagod or yung tinatawag nating fatigue and also support yung nerves and brain functions. So ayun si vitamin B natin. Mga B1, B2, B6, and B12. So actually, there are many different vitamins, but mainly B vitamins are usually for nerve function. But since isa parang complex siya, they can also help in yung gut health and sa energy natin. Ayan. Next is we also have the fibersol 2 and inulin. So actually, for fibersol 2 and inulin, ito yung sinasabi nating prebiotic fibers. So actually, ito yung mga, kumbaga, tandem sila ng probiotics because they can, with the help of prebiotic and probiotic, of course, mas nabuboost si good bacteria sa ating digestive system, which can help promote gentle digestion and of course, support regularity. Next is we also have yung tinatawag nating XOS o sialo-oligosaccharides. So for our sialo-oligosaccharides, they support yung sinasabi nating overall microbiome health. So yung sinasabi nating gut or good bacteria community. And with the help of sialo-oligosaccharides, they can also help maintain yung ating balance na digestive system. Actually, silo-oligosaccharides are also prebiotics. So, parang fibersol 2, inulin, and silo-oligosaccharides are all prebiotics as well. And then, again, just to add lang naman kasi wala siya sa ating slide for today, when we say prebiotics, they can help improve yung gut movement natin. So, kapag kunyari, constipated ka or madalas kang nakaka-experience ng constipation, ang prebiotics ay nakakatulong din. Kasi these are actually fibers. Next is that they can help reduce yung nararamdaman nating bloating or yung parang parang feeling mo may hangin sa tiyan mo, or parang mabigat yung pakiramdam, kahit onti lang kinain mo. And other than that, it can also help i-support yung growth ng healthy flora in the gut and also sa ating intimate areas. And then last but not the least, we also have the vitamin C na sinasabi natin. So for this one, this reinforces, of course, yung immune system. So I know very sikat naman na si vitamin C. So I think very much self-explanatory kung anong function ni vitamin C natin. So mainly, this is for immune defense, and yung sinasabi nating oxidative damage, it protects our cells from oxidative damage, especially sa ating gut and lower tract for this one, for our product. So again, we have the different ingredients that we have for our S77 probiotics. So actually, para siyang mixture ng mga probiotics, prebiotics, and also vitamins, B vitamins, and also vitamin C. So, di ba? Parang magandang combination siya. So it actually contains 10 billion CFU of probiotics for this one. So again, um, just showing you the different strains, the 8 strains of probiotics that we have of bacteria in our product. Ayan. So actually, for our product, di ba, as na-mention ko nga, meron tayong probiotics, prebiotics, meron tayong B vitamins, and vitamin C. Actually, itong combination na to is a very good combination because, of course, it helps us maintain our gut microbiome balance. It helps support our digestive comfort and yung regular bowel movements natin. It helps maintain yung intimate flora, hindi lang of course sa gut health natin, yung good bacteria, but also yung good bacteria sa private areas natin. Another is it also helps strengthen our natural immunity. 'Di ba? Ang gut health natin, hindi lang siya for our digestion, but it is also related to our immune system. And then meron din tayong antioxidants na kalaban ng oxidative stress sa cells natin, like the cherry powder and the vitamin C. So again, for our S77 probiotics, this can actually help, or parang may tatlo siyang benefits. Mainly, it is for the gut health. So again, si probiotics natin, it is mainly for our gut health. Second is that it is actually for our intimate health. Mga private areas natin, yung mga good bacteria sa ating private areas as well para mabalance siya. Another is that it can also help strengthen our immunity. Yan. So, ayun yung pwede nating tandaan. Parang main three benefits ni probiotics na S77 probiotics natin. So actually, I just want to share with you what are the benefits. Bakit nga ba ako magti-take ng probiotics? 'Di ba? Hindi ko naman kailangan yan. I know na some people, baka isipin nila hindi nila kailangan ito. Pero syempre, 'di ba sabi nga ng mga doctor natin, parang it's better to um, be more proactive. Parang alam mo yung makahanap ka agad ng way to prevent than antayin mong gamutin ka. So with that, we have our probiotics, of course, not just to help rebalance the body's microbiome, it can also help strengthen yung natural immunity natin. And then, another bonus nga sinasabi ko is yung intimate health natin na po-promote din ni probiotic. So again, just sharing the slide with you. So again, it helps rebalance the body's microbiome. It helps reduce yung overactivity ng immune system natin. Pwede siyang makabawas ng allergic reactions kasi nga na-improve si immune system natin. And then, of course, si intimate area comfort natin and intimate health natin. So with that, actually, for our product, na-mention ko na kanina, this is actually in cherry flavor. So, hindi siya yung parang walang lasa masyado. So, actually for this one, you can match it with any snack or siguro drinks if you would prefer. It is natural. It does not have yung mga artificial na flavorings or mga preservatives. And very convenient siya. And actually, it is suitable for all ages, pwedeng kids, adults, and elderly alike. Since more on, it just promotes on good bacteria in our body lang naman. So, as mentioned, cherry flavor. Hindi mo na, pwedeng actually, for this one, just an additional information. Pwede mo siyang inumin directly from the sachet or pwede mo din siyang ihalo sa favorite drinks nyo, siguro kung sa water, uh, or sa juice, pwede din naman. Or siguro kung ihahalo nyo sa food nyo, mga small amounts of food as well. And of course, it's not just for the gut, it also supports intimate wellness. So again, we have the probiotic supplement that everyone can enjoy, not just yung mga adults, di ba? So for this one of its advantages actually is that na-mention natin kanina sa first product natin, yung importance or parang pinaka-advantage ng patented ingredient. So actually for this one, S77 is actually patented probiotic technology. So, talagang pinag-aralan, talagang mabusising tinesting sa laboratory. It is also something or a product that supports gut and intimate flora. No additional preservatives. It is very much enjoyable and of course, gentle and effective para sa lahat. So with that, I think that is all that I think that ends our presentation for our second product for this afternoon. So that is all for S77 probiotics with B vitamins. So ayan, I think we can open the floor for any questions or clarifications or if may gusto kayong i-share with the Zoom meeting as well.
Alright, ayan. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Jessica, no? Ayan,
Yes.
guys. So, if you have questions, verification or clarification, violent reaction, hindi wala naman sigurong violent reaction. Alright, so again, thank you so much, Ma'am Jessica. And if ever may mga questions po,
Mm-mm.
you can type here sa ating chat box. Pwede po ba yan sa bata, sabi ni Coach Troy, pero I think kakasabi
Pwede.
ni Ma'am Jessica, pwede po sa lahat ng ages. Ayun, so, po. Sa other questions po, baka may mga katanungan pa po yung ibang nandito. Before natin bitawan si Ma'am Jessica. Ayan, so far, wala naman na yatang mga questions, ma'am. Or baka may gusto kayong i-share, guys. Or
Yes.
itanong kay ating registered pharmacist, Ma'am Jessica po. Class
Ayan.
picture daw.
Baka may gusto po kayong i-share or mga insights, mga experience nyo. Baka may nainom kayong before na probiotics as well. Ayan.
Yes.
I think
Here
ano na
guys,
po.
mahihain po yung mga ano natin, student po natin today.
Mm. Yan.
Ayan, so
Last
far
picture na po
parang
ba?
parang sobrang clear and sobrang liwanag po ng pagkaka-explain niyo, ma'am. Kaya wala pong nagko-questions dito.
Mag-share po ako ng testimony.
Testimony, guys. Kung may mga testimonies daw kayo, pwede you can
Ako po,
share.
mag-share po ako ng testimony paggamit
Ay,
ko po ng S77.
sige.
Ayan,
Opo.
bali, ako po talaga ay user. Kami ng pamilya ko, pati even yung 2 years old apo namin, user po kami ng barley powder and then yung ating S77 probiotics. Ah, ako po, once na nalilipasan po ako ng gutom, talagang tawag dito, nagkakaroon po ako ng ano, yung pagpunta-punta po ako, pabalik-balik po ako ng CR. O, pasensya na po sa mga nagme-merienda ngayon. Talagang pabalik-balik po. Pero nung sinubukan ko na mag S77 probiotics po, isang sachet lang po, guys. Grabe. Tanggal po agad yung ano, ewan ko kung ang tawag yung LBM yata yun eh. Tanggal po agad yung LBM ko at okay na uli ako, no? Masaya na naman, kakain na naman. Ayun po, yung po yung aking testimony, talagang napakabisa po ng S77 probiotics po natin. Kaya ever since, lagi po kami meron yan. Sinasabayan po namin yan ng barley. Kasi ang sarap po ipagsabay ng barley natin at itong S77. Yun lang po yung aking testimony. Talagang pag nalilipas ako ng kain o gutom, 'di ba? Tapos kakain ka ng marami, ang tendency sa akin sa akin ay dumidiretso ko ng CR tapos pabalik-balik na. Then sinubukan ko nga po itong S77 and then that's it. Grabe, isang sachet lang. Okay agad ako ng tiyan ko. Ayun po. Thank you so much po.
Alright, thank you so much, Coach Troy, for sharing your experience sa ating product. Before we close our training for today, no? So, can we open our camera para makapagpa-picture naman tayo kay Miss Jessica, no? So, ma'am, kailan po yung, if I may ask, kailan po yung next product trainings po natin? Meron po bang
Oh,
next?
for that one, I'll get back to you na lang po through Ma'am Joyce.
I
Kasi
see, I
sila po yung
see.
may hawak ng schedule.
Yes, hopefully dalasan natin to ma'am para at least para dun sa mga new partners
Mm.
natin at least ano rin
Mm.
po sila train po sila lalo sa ating mga products no.
At
Okay.
alam nyo ba, Sir Bean, Ma'am Jessica, lahat po na
Ano po?
magbubukas ng camera ngayon ay mabibigyan ng free?
Ayun oh.
Mabibigyan
Kukunin
po tayo
natin.
ng free.
Kanino kukunin? Kay Coach Troy?
Magbukas lang po ng camera. Meron po
Ayan,
tayo
kay Coach meron
magbubukas.
tayong mga free
Ah,
S77 ba ito or Vertex Pro
Vertex
Gateways?
Ano
Pro.
po? Free screenshot.
Free
Alas, umasa pa naman ako.
Ayan,
Ayan,
mag-open
so
cam na po tayo
guys,
guys para sa ating class
kindly
picture.
open your yes,
Oo.
kindly open your cam para sa
At
mga
ipipm
kasama
din po
natin.
namin ito kay Chairman Lowell Magdadaro para lahat po ng mga makita ni Chairman na dumalo dito. May tagi-tigisa tayong pause na S77. O, di ba? Open your cam na. Open your cam.
Ayan.
Ayan. Mukhang ano talaga. Ayaw nilang magpakita ng mukha. O sige, tayo-tayo na lang po. Ma'am, thank you, Violeta. Ma'am Violeta. Ayan.
Ayan.
Si Ma'am Wency, taga Olonga po yan. Ayan, idol natin yan. Downline ni Sir Randel yan. Ayan. Hello, Ma'am Wency.
Ayan. Hi, Ma'am Nancy.
O sige, mag-picture taking na po tayo, Sir Bean.
Ikaw na, sir.
Okay, in 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright. Okay, wait lang po may part 2 pa po tayo.
Part 2.
Yes, part 2 para at least ibig sabihin pangalawang shot. Okay,
Kala ko
in
part
1, 2, 3. Wait lang po. Ayaw na gumana. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, back to you, Coach Vince.
All right, ayan. So once again, thank you so much, Ma'am Jessica, Marie, Boss Basco po. Maraming salamat for the learnings and sa discussion po natin. And guys, thank you so much
Thank you, Ma'am Jessica.
for your time na
Okay.
naka-attend
Thank
po
you din
kayo
po
sa
for everyone.
yes. And in behalf of our management and company, no? So maraming salamat and I hope na natuto po tayong lahat and see you sa mga next product training natin with our registered pharmacist, Miss Jessica Marie Basco. So again guys, maraming salamat. Bye-bye!